Hi friends, welcome back to another unboxing video by Gothic Footwear Australia. Today we have for you the TRASHVILLE-518 knee-high unisex boots in patent black fake leather by Demonia. All products that we unbox for you are available to buy online at www.gothicfootwear.com.au with free shipping for Australia and New Zealand. Alright, and let's get them out of the box now so we can unwrap them and take a look. So currently all of the longer boot models come in these plastic bags with the Demonia branded wrapping paper. You can also buy these direct from Demonia Cult if you're in a different location, but we offer free shipping for Australia and New Zealand. Alright, let's have a look at this first one. So straight away you're going to see that the main feature of this boot is these chunky 5 buckles. So patent black means that shiny polished look. And this boot has a full length inside zipper, but it also has the round laces. And we have a thick platform sole at 3¼ inches with the flame detail on the bottom of the sole with the Demonia logo. Now I'm just going to grab the other boot and unwrap them. I'll be dropping all the details in the description box below for this video. Let us know in the comments what you think of this style. So this model comes in unisex sizes, which are measured in men's USA size 4 to 13, which also converts to women's USA 6 to 15 or European 36 to 45. Now let me show you these buckles. So these ones don't have the elastic behind the buckle, it's just stitched straight into the shoe. The other color variation that this boot comes in is currently matte black vegan leather and a matte white vegan leather. So you see the laces there are under the buckles. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and it would really help us if you subscribe to our channel so that we can make more of these unboxing videos. Now I'll just do them back up. Drop a comment below to let us know what you think of this style and tell us what shoe model you'd like to see unboxed next time, and we'll see what we can do to make it happen. So once you have adjusted your buckles and your laces, you can just take them on and off using the zipper on the inside. And now we're going to unzip them and take a look at the inside for you. So these boots have that soft fabric spongy kind of material for the lining. Okay, I'm going to zip them back up and we're going to take some shots of them both together. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you like this video. It helps YouTube to know that other people might be interested in seeing this video. And I have to say, these boots, even though they have a chunky look, they're actually fairly lightweight. And I'll be dropping all the details in the description box below for this video and for the other variations that this model comes in. Well, that's just about all we have time for today. Come back soon to see more unboxing of your favorite styles. Thanks for watching.